Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a common household product that has been used for various purposes: baking, cleaning, and even as a home remedy for certain health issues. In recent years, a viral trend has emerged promoting the consumption of baking soda, mixed with water as a supposed health remedy with numerous benefits. Proponents of this trend claim that drinking baking soda and water can help with digestion, alkalize the body, improve exercise performance, and even treat certain medical conditions such as acid reflux and kidney stones. However, it is important to carefully examine the potential risks and benefits of this trend before incorporating it into your daily routine. One of the main supposed benefits of drinking baking soda and water is its ability to alkalize the body. Proponents claim that the alkaline properties of baking soda can help balance body, which in turn can improve digestion and overall health. While it is true that maintaining a slightly alkaline pH in the body is important for optimal health, scientific research has shown that the body has its own mechanisms for regulating pH levels and that consuming baking soda may not significantly impact overall pH balance. In fact, excessive consumption of baking soda can lead to metabolic alkalosis, a condition in which the pH of the blood becomes too alkaline, resulting in symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, muscle twitching, and even potentially life-threatening complications. Another claimed benefit of drinking baking soda and water is its supposed ability to improve exercise performance. Some athletes and fitness enthusiasts believe that consuming baking soda before a workout can help buffer lactic acid buildup in the muscles, thereby delaying fatigue and improving endurance. While some studies have shown that baking soda supplementation may have a modest effect on improving exercise performance, the evidence is not conclusive, and the potential side effects of consuming large amounts of baking soda, such as gastrointestinal distress and electrolyte imbalances, should be taken into consideration. Additionally, there is limited scientific evidence to support the use of baking soda as a treatment for medical conditions such as acid reflux and kidney stones. While some individuals may report anecdotal relief from these conditions after consuming baking soda and water, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting to self-medicate with baking soda, as it may interact with certain medications and exacerbate underlying health issues.